Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to e-file your taxes, step by step. First, gather all your essential documents, such as your W-2 forms, 1099s, and any other income or deduction statements. Next, select a reputable e-filing software or consider using a qualified tax professional. Finally, make sure you have your adjusted gross income from the previous tax period readily available, as this is often needed for identity verification. Once you've chosen your method, the next step is to accurately enter all your financial information. Begin by inputting your personal details, including your full name, address, and social security number. Then, carefully transfer all income figures from your W-2 and 1099 forms into the designated sections of the software. Don't forget to include any eligible deductions or credits, as these can significantly lower your tax liability. Before submitting, it's crucial to meticulously review your entire tax return. Double-check all figures, especially your income, deductions, and credits, to ensure accuracy. Verify that your bank account details are correct if you're expecting a refund via direct deposit or making a payment. Finally, confirm your adjusted gross income from the previous tax period, as this acts as your electronic signature for submission. The final step is to submit your tax return. Electronically sign your return using your prior year's adjusted gross income as verification. Once signed, click the Submit button through your chosen e-filing platform. After successful submission, you will receive a confirmation number. Save this along with a copy of your return for your records. This ensures you have proof of filing and can track your refund status.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.